Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing my dog taste test 2. So let's get started. First, we have my dog's favorite, meat. And then we have here, it's banana. And next, it's apple. I know, looks chunky. Next, peanut butter. And then last but not least, milk. You hit it for the meat. He got it! Now, let's see the banana. He got it again. And next, apple. Come on, apple. He tries to find the apple. Now, let's see if he can get milk. Oh, my goodness. He wrecked milk. Peanut butter. Nah, he can't really find peanut butter. And he's still slurping away milk. He's using his super sniffer nose, but he's not even getting it. He's trying to slurp the milk that fell out. Oh my goodness! He's just slurping the milk. I might have to help him on this one. Oh, that's gross. I got the floor all dirty. He doesn't have any more milk anymore. He's just slurping. I might have to take it away from him. He's still taking the milk. Okay. He's just slurping away on the milk. I might have to vacuum him. Swipe. Good thing I have a new whack. He's searching for the peanut butter. He found something. He's just breaking. Oh, he got the peanut butter! He got the peanut butter. Oh, jeez. Look, he's cleaning the bowl. I have to take it away when he's good. Oh gosh, oh gosh. Now, you have just looking peanut butter. Now, we have to search for apple. Oh! He got apple! Now it's your favorite part, Dylan. You get to finish the peanut butter! Still got this one. Bye, guys!